Now you can learn to Cerakote firearms for fun and profit with AGI's Cerakote application course. It teaches you everything you need to know to professionally Cerakote firearms. Your instructor is Don Hardin. Don is an AGI-trained gunsmith with over 20 years of experience in applying Cerakote to a wide variety of firearms and accessories. In 6 hours of detailed instruction, he guides you through the entire process step by step, including workspace setup, tools and equipment, safety, disassembly and prep, creating custom patterns, choosing and mixing the Cerakote, and then the application and curing processes. Nothing is left out of this comprehensive course. We even show you how to set up your work areas. Then, we cover the tools and equipment you will need and show you the proper setup and operation of each one. Now, we introduce you to the spray gun, and Don goes into it in great detail, giving you inside tips, including which ones work best with Cerakote application.
There is only one spray gun that Cerakote recommends for the application of their product. What makes this spray gun special is the size of the needle and the tip. Obviously, this is a high volume, low pressure spray gun. The tip on this is 0.8 of a millimeter, quite small. Now, I started my Cerakote business using an HVLP gun that I picked up at one of the local automotive stores. It had a 1.2 millimeter nozzle and needle. And I learned very quickly that you really had to turn the volume down because it would over apply badly. And when you get way too much on, when you go to put the firearm back together, you have to polish the Cerakote off of the parts because they will not fit. And so just get it right the first time. This is not an inexpensive spray gun, but it is essential if you're going to do a good job.
Next, Don explains the Cerakote product line, telling you exactly how to use each one of them to achieve professional, long-lasting results.
For firearms, we typically use 3 of the series that they make. The first one is a C series, and the C stands for cold. What that means is that it does not have to be cured in the oven in order for it to get hard. It also does not use a catalyst. In other words, we spray it out of the bottle, and whatever's left over we can put back in the bottle because there's no catalyst. Now, where do we use it? Typically, the C series will be used on your optics because we don't want to put your optics in an oven. And you can use it anywhere. We don't have to use an oven cure. But they don't make an awful lot of colors in the C series, so that's kind of its limiting thing. There is one cold series product I would like to mention specifically, and that is a product called Micro Slick. It is a cold cure, and what it is basically a liquid Teflon. It works very well on bolt-action rifle bolts and on the locking lugs. If you put the cold cure Micro Slick on, cure it out for your 7 days, that bolt is basically permanently lubricated, and they operate really nice and smoothly.
Whether you just want to Cerakote your own firearms or you want to add Cerakoting to the services you provide, this course is for you. After mixing the Cerakote, Don begins the application process. With each procedure, he shows you exactly what to do, the best way to do it, and explains why each step and technique is important.
I'll add the Cerakote to the cup. It's already been mixed. Bring up my hose. Now I'm going to set my test pattern. I want a little narrower pattern so I can get in tight on the small parts and then the internal parts of the gun. On the grip safety, there is a slot in the back side of it. I'll spray that first, and we'll turn it around and do the rest of it. Okay, again, just short blasts on these small parts. And you've got to make sure you inspect as you go so that we don't miss any of the surfaces. Okay, when I take a look at this in better light, I find that I've got a light spot right here. Hope you can see this, right in this square notch area. I'm also a little bit light on this flat surface next to the groove. So let me grab the spray gun and I'll touch that up.
After applying the Cerakote, Don covers both the air drying and flash cure processes and the final oven curing. To ensure you have as much knowledge and insight as possible, we cover this entire process using 4 different firearms: 2 pistols, a rifle, and a shotgun. We begin with the application of a single color of Cerakote. Then we demonstrate multicolor application, where we use different techniques to create patterns.
Now I'm going to come up on the slide. Now I'm going to pull the transfer tape and the stencil toward me and start working that down. All right, I think I've got it stuck. It's going to take a few minutes to get this transfer paper off. Basically, it's just a matter of pulling it loose. We're going to go off camera here for a minute or two, and as soon as I get this ready to come back, we'll be back and show you the results. We have the M&P stenciled. I had to get the producer involved, and he had to help me. We spent almost an hour and a half getting this gun stenciled. So sometimes that happens. You just have to remember that when you bid your job, that it's going to be longer than you think. We're going to go spray this gun now, and you'll get to see it after it's finished.
Throughout the course, he shares tips, tricks, and techniques that he has learned from Cerakoting hundreds of different firearms. He even shows you how to properly clean your equipment so it will last for a long time. With 6 hours of detailed training, this course is equal to a 3-day factory training course. So order your AGI Cerakote course today and start creating beautifully finished firearms that amaze and inspire.